Whoever does the best Lionel Richie version gets a free class. That's what it should look like. Show yourself before we put it in the oven.
Mine left. She saw my frantic moving back and forth, and I think that she didn't want to get stepped on.
I still got a great big rock of sugar in the middle of
You go keep rocking that sugar in a free world. I'm going to tell you how to cut matchstick. And I'm going to claw my fingers with my thumb behind my fingers. And I'm just going to slice it that way. Krista, let's see your fingers. All 10 of there?
They're all there.
Amy, look at that.
Do you have any tips, Chef, for not eating all the spicy nuts before dinner?
Anyone had scrambled eggs? Because it's going to be a sad day here.
Is that like a furniture mallet? Oh,
Let's see how.
cool.
Let's see.
Those are good. Look at you, he's even got decor on them.
Ooh, lovely.
Oh! That's all right, love. We're just going to scoop it right back up.
Here's my meatballs.
Awesome. Next ring. Yeah, give me some. Look how right about. Yay. All right. Cheers. I think you got 2 people going there.
Yeah, we got a few more helpers.
Uh-huh. Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
That's good.
I learned how to cook ribs and make them fall off the bone without actually having to put them in the Instant Pot. These ribs are actually really tender.
I hope you guys take some of these recipes, make it one time, and then twist it to what you want. Oh, modern pesto. Oh, well, aren't you smart? Yeah.
Are you trying to make us use every dish in our whole kitchen?
But when you sit down and eat, you're going to say, hey, I did this, right? We're going to deglaze our pan with red wine.
If we drink all our red wine, what else can we use?
Who said that? Way to go, Brittany.
That's the spirit. Can't wait to eat it.
And I really appreciate the kids hanging around.
Great recipes. Thank you, sir.
You guys, man, give yourselves a round of applause for making